Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are diving into Anaconda, a powerful distribution for Python. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, Anaconda makes managing packages and environments much easier, which is crucial in today's data-driven world. So Anaconda is an open source distribution that simplifies package management and deployment for data science. It includes Conda, a package manager, and Jupyter Notebook, a popular web application for coding and sharing notebooks. Let's walk through how to install Anaconda on your system. The first step is download Anaconda. To download Anaconda, open your browser and write simply Anaconda, and then click on download Anaconda. It will take you to the Anaconda distribution page. Now provide your email and check the checkbox to receive communication from Anaconda and simply click submit. Then click on the download button for Windows and the installer will download soon. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your downloads folder and double click it to run the installer. Then the welcome screen will open and click next. Read and accept the terms of the license agreement. Then choose the installation type and click next and choose install location. Usually the default is fine and click next and make sure that your system has enough space and click install. The installation will take some time, so wait for the installation to complete. This may take a few minutes. Once the installation is finished, click finish to close the installer. Now from the start menu, search for Anaconda Navigator in the search bar and click on the Anaconda Navigator app that appears in the search bar. This is Anaconda Navigator dashboard. Here you can manage environments and launch applications. For example, if you want to launch Jupyter Notebook, find Jupyter Notebook and click launch. If you want to create a new environment to manage packages separately, click on the Environments tab on the left and then click Create to set up a new environment. To install packages, go to the Environments tab again, select your environment and click on Not Installed to see available packages. You can search for and install packages here. Okay, that is it for today's video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and thank you for watching.